I'm Neris Conway's Older Persons Engagement Coordinator. My role is about improving the health and well-being of our older tenants. And Give Where You Live is a great way of doing this. Give Where You Live is a person-to-person time bank. It's about people coming together and helping each other out, supporting each other, and in return receiving support themselves. Give Where You Live has now been running since July 2015, and during that time we've actually recruited over 70 members who have shared 800 hours of volunteer times helping each other out.
I'd like to explain what time banking is. It's a very good thing. We want a lot more members to join us. It's a benefit for everybody who lives here in the building. If we could get some more people in, we get points for everything that we do, and then they can help us if we want anything doing, which is very good. I have 2 coffee mornings, well, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. I do the ironing for the ladies and gentlemen that are here. I help my friend Brenda, who's just come back out of hospital because she's been poorly, do her shopping for her.
My name is Kelly and I started the pilot for the Give Where You Live project in our newly developed independent living scheme. The aim of the project was to empower all the people to live independently while reducing the social exclusion. One of the main things I love about doing this project is seeing tenants growing in confidence from the first instance them being introduced to the project to 12 months down the line when they're actually running their own.
I'm Sarah, I'm the Give Where You Live coordinator for Trevi Conway. My role is about discovering what skills people have and would like to share with others and connecting them with someone who is in need of that skill in the community. As part of my role, I keep regular contact with all active members and keep a record of their time credits, and we meet up as a group on a monthly basis. We also have regular activities and guest speakers during these sessions, so members are able to spend their time credits.
And this project really has strengthened the community of Llandudno. New friendships have been made and older people in our community feel valued again. We're also really proud to say that we are the only recognised time bank in North Wales.